Okay, so today what we're going to do is I've got some chicken breast there. We're going to do chicken breast with garlic mushrooms in a tomato sauce with pesto. Pop that in the oven, some parmesan on the top. Serving that with some lovely easy fries. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to go straight in on this one. Some oil is in there. I'm using a canola oil. Use a different oil if you want. I've got 2 chicken breasts here. I've taken the skin off, but the bone is in. I've just sort of quartered a chicken. So in it goes. Now we are on, there's a second one. We are on a medium heat or slightly below medium. Salt, black pepper, and we're going to be frying these for about 8 or 9 minutes on a nice, just below medium heat. I'm going to be turning it often. Okay, let's get these out now. You can see they're cooked really nicely. Now, don't worry if you think that your chicken's not cooked all the way, because we've got a little more cooking to do, but we have got some beautiful color on them and they're ready for the next step. But yeah, make sure you cook them nice and below medium heat so they start to cook all the way through, because they are quite chunky. Okay, so I've reduced the oil down by about 50%, but we've got some lovely flavor in there, so keep this oil. I'm now going to drop in some onion, cut it nice and small. Garlic, about a tablespoon, and you can see we use huge amounts of garlic here. That's always on the go. That stay on this medium heat just for 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Nice and gentle. Very simply, we're going to add some more salt and some more pepper. I'm going to add a nice big pinch, or about a teaspoon of oregano, and then we're going to simply just drop 1 can of tomatoes in there. These are a whole plum tomato, which I'm going to just roughly break. 4 to 5 minutes now. I just want to cook those tomatoes out. Keep it nice and low again. I mean, we're not on a simmer here. We're just sort of, but just not super high. You know what I mean, don't you? It's in about 4 or 5. And that's looking beautiful. All we're going to do now is add some pesto. I've got some green pesto here, like a tablespoon of a pesto. We're going to turn the heat off. We're going to mix that in. And then once again, we can move on. So I've emptied the contents of the tomato and pesto out. You don't have to clean the pan. You can go straight in again here. I've got some olive oil in there. We've got the heat on quite high now. 2 teaspoons of garlic, chopped garlic. 200 grams of mushrooms, white mushrooms, which I've cut quite chunky. Salt, black pepper, quite a high heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving, and then this is done. Okay, off goes the heat, literally just 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Just get some of that garlic and the seasoning on them. Set these aside. We're ready to go. Okay, so we're going to need some sort of container that can go into the oven. I'm using glass, ceramic, or metal. As long as it can go in the oven, it's fantastic. Now I've put about 2/3 of my sauce in there. This is quite small, you can see in my hand. What we're going to do now, so I've held some sauce back. We're now going to put the chicken in there. And any juices that have come from the chicken on top. We're going to grab the mushrooms and get them in all over. Some more sauce just on the chicken. I've got some grated Parmesan here. Over that goes. You could use cheddar if you wanted, but Parmesan's nice on this one. And then this is going to go into a hot oven, 200 C, for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's beautiful, it's easy. I'll see you then. Okay, there you go. Really beautiful, nice and crispy on there. Let's do something to go with that. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got some potatoes, peeled them, and I just parboiled them. And we're going to simply just fry them off. Now, I did add some salt to the water while I boiled them up a little bit. Just some nice little fries to go with that chicken. So I'm using a canola oil. You could use a sunflower oil or something like that, corn oil to fry these in. And yeah, just nice and hot. You know what we're looking for. It's going to be 5 minutes, easy peasy. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at those beauties, fantastic. Really nice. And really important just to give them a little boil first. And then you can drop them into super hot oil. And they'll cook just really nicely. Okay, out they come. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on them. And then I'm going to serve those with our chicken. Fabulous. Okay, and there you go. So I've just cut the chicken open so you can just see it's beautifully soft and tender there. The garlic mushrooms, the tomato sauce, and those little fries that we made. Fab! Super fab, in fact. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you sending messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.